पूरा शूटिंग किया है हम्पी में, बैंगलोर के आगे कर्नाटका में ये जगह है हम्पी। तो वहाँ पे जब हमने शूट किया था तो आर कैमरामैन अनिल मेहता एंड माय डायरेक्टर अर्जुन सजनानी एंड द होल यूनिट वाज वेरी कीन कि फिल्म में ग्रीनरी बिल्कुल अवॉइड करनी थी, क्योंकि दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ अ लैंड वेयर इट हैज़न्ट रेन्ड फॉर अबाउट 7 years. तो यू नो इनिशियली यू फील दैट यू आर क्वाइट इनटू द शूटिंग प्रोसेस. You don't realize at times ki what does it mean to avoid the greenery. So gradually when we started the shooting, we got into the story and we started realizing that oh my god, because getting out in the top sun at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, it was so difficult for us. We would get thirsty, it was at times very painful not to see any tree around us. You know, you must be knowing the land of Hampi. It is all rocks and hills, and the season that we had chosen for the shooting was absolutely summer, so there was hardly any greenery which was remained around that area. But slowly it started getting in us like poison, you know. We started realizing, I mean personally I felt very connected to the story, because somewhere we have you know, Narmada Bachao Andolan, where people are struggling and the issue of water is so much so current. It is very easy to relate with that, and we were little shaken up, you know, as we realized that what does it mean by it hasn't rained for 7 years. And somehow thankfully we shot sequentially for this film, in the sense not exactly but quite likely. I mean, we shot first few sequences. My track basically went very sequentially, quite a bit. तो मेरे लिए ये काफ़ी शॉकिंग था when the talks about rain or water would come in the film. I really felt so related or so much for the rain, that you know, amongst all of us when we were interacting, this term of rain or water started existing amongst us also. In the sense, once I was out, I was not in Hampi, I had gone somewhere for some other shoot to Nasik, to Ghodegaon. So when I was in Ghodegaon, it rained in Hampi, you know, and I missed that rain. Arjun told me, then Milind told me that it had rained when you were not here, and I missed that rain. I missed being there in Hampi that day, and it was almost like we all were ultimately waiting for the rain. That even when we would talk about water, there is a very nice sequence where Ravina is carrying a pot of water, and she's caring for it so much that she's not allowing even a drop to fall down. तो ऐसे सारे जो sequences हैं वहाँ पे, you know, at times I would feel thirsty that let it not drop, otherwise we would waste that one drop also. So yeah, we can definitely, I think it is very true and very, there is pain, there is weight, there is true love, and there is so much affection and caring in the film, amongst the characters I mean, and of course amongst the whole unit also generally. So the picture that you have on the screen, I think you will be able to relate to it definitely.